Are you looking for the best glow-in-the-dark paint in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best glow-in-the-dark paint that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, Artist's Acrylic Glow-in-the-Dark Paint. Are you looking for a way to add some excitement to your paintings? Or maybe you want to create a unique craft project that will really stand out. Either way, you need to check out Glow-in-the-Dark Paint from Art & Glow. This premium acrylic paint is made with strontium aluminate glow powder, which is the brightest and longest-lasting glow-in-the-dark technology available. Our glow-in-the-dark paint is perfect for embellishing traditional paintings. It dries clear, so you can create some amazing effects. And because it is made from naturally occurring elements, it is non-toxic and non-radioactive. So it is safe for both the environment and you. Order today and start experiencing the magic of glow. And if you're not completely satisfied, they are offered 30-day, 100% money-back guarantee. At number 2, Neon Nights Blacklight Glow Paints. Are you looking for a way to make your next party or event more fun and exciting? Then you need to check out our fabric paints. These paints are specially formulated to glow brightly under UV and blacklight, making them perfect for any party or event. But that's not all. Our fabric paints are also usable on any color shirt or canvas, thanks to their high clearness and vibrancy. So whether you're looking for a unique costume for a festival or party, or just want to add some fun and excitement to your school project, our fabric paints are the perfect solution. And because they're made to withstand washing and ironing, you can use your outfit again and again. So don't settle for those one-time use fabric paints. Get our fabric paints and make your next event one to remember. At number 3, Neon Nights Glow-in-the-Dark Paint. Are you looking for a way to make your arts and crafts projects stand out? Or maybe you want to add a little something extra to your next party or music festival? Either way, you need glow-in-the-dark paint. Bright day and night has the perfect solution. Our neon paint glows brilliantly in the dark, but can also easily be seen in daylight. And it doesn't stop there. Our paint can also be used as UV paint or blacklight paint for an even brighter, long-lasting glow. Our paint is versatile and can be used on most surfaces, including canvas, wood, plastic, and metal. Get into the spirit of any occasion by giving this reflective paint kit to the artist in your life. The set is a wonderful addition to Halloween, birthday, and even holiday craft supplies. Or, if you're looking for a fun way to liven up your next party or rave, this is the perfect solution. These paints are TSA friendly, so you can take them with you when you travel. So, if you're looking for a way to make your next project or event glow, look no further than Bright Day and Night. At number 4, UV Glow Blacklight. Are you looking for a way to stand out in a crowd or add some excitement to your party? Blacklight reactive makeup is the perfect solution. This type of makeup glows brightly under ultraviolet lighting, making it ideal for clubbing, festivals, and other events where UV lighting is present. Blacklight reactive makeup is available in a variety of colors, so you can choose the perfect shade to match your outfit or mood. Plus, it dries quickly and washes off easily with water, so you can keep your look fresh all night long. At number 5, FolkArt Neon Glow Acrylic Paint. Are you looking for a versatile and convenient way to add a pop of color and glow to all your arts and crafts projects? Look no further than the FolkArt Acrylic Paint Set. This brilliant set of 8 2-ounce bottles of paint comes in a variety of vibrant colors, including 4 neon colors and 4 glow-in-the-dark colors. The smooth, vibrant finish of these paints is perfect for a variety of surfaces, including wood, paper, canvas, styrofoam, and paper mache. And cleanup is a breeze. Simply wash with soap and water while the paint is still wet. Best of all, this paint is proudly made in the USA. So expand your art supplies today with the trusted quality of FolkArt acrylic paint. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.